Alright, we're going to do a quick unboxing of this pet grooming kit. This is actually really kind of cool. Pretty cute too. Thank you card with some details about how to hang your dog in it. So what this consists of is nail file, nail clippers, tick remover brushes, tick remover tools. Let's see, then we've got a finger toothbrush. We have some little bow ties to put on your dog's collar after they get groomed. And then we've got a grooming mitt. Then we've got a cute little smiley face to send home with the dog. The straps on it here with some carabiners. If you look at the bottom of the box, it says a grooming kit, nail clippers, a hanging hammock, tear stain remover brush, a comb, and a dog flea comb. That's what that was. The little comb is for dog fleas. A pet glove, pet boxes, tick remover, ear sticks, and carabiners. So what we're going to do is take this cute little guy, and he's not really expecting this or wanting this to happen. But as per the instructions, I'm going to lay this out with the two pieces out like that. And then we're going to put him in it. And he's like, how come I came over here? I wasn't really ready for this. I didn't think this was going to happen. But it is happening. So you can see I've got the two straps ready to go. And I'm going to put a strap through it like this. And then that will lift him up. And with the carabiner, I'm going to just hook the carabiner together. That'll hang his front. And then when I put this strap on the back and put the carabiner on him like that. Hey buddy! So now you can see, if I back it up a little bit, you can see I've got him hanging here. I just have a pipe between a couple of chairs for my temporary setup. But as you can see, he's not overly excited about it. And he's not really upset. So I can just get the dog grooming tool. It's got a little safety on it. And then I'll get his front little paw, pull it forward like this, and then he'll just like lick me and let me just clip his little nails like that. So that looks really good. Then I can reach in here with a little nail file, and I can just do a little bit of filing. The fact that he's just hanging there and he's happy, oh, we could put a little bow around his head. He'll really like that. You can see that. So anyway, get the ear cleaners out, clean his ears while he's hanging there. One thing this dog does have trouble with is brushing his teeth. So while he's up here, I can get in and hold him, work on his teeth. And then last but not least, I can certainly put on this glove. It's got a Velcro strap to it, and you undo, and I can start petting him, working on his ears, things like that. But I'd probably get him out. But there's always knots around his tail. There's a knot on his tail. I can get out while he's hanging here. So anyway, that is the hanging dog grooming kit. And I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so I could do a review and test it all out. It's a great product.